Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat with friends in Roblox on mobile. But first, let's make sure your app is up to date to avoid any glitches. So before opening Roblox, go to the App Store if you're on iPhone, or the Play Store if you're on Android, and search for Roblox. If you see an Update button, tap it to install the latest version. If it just says Open, then you're good to go. Now go ahead and open the Roblox app. It may take a few seconds to load up. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a list of games recommended for you. Look for the Friends section, usually labeled with the word Friends, and tap on it. You'll now see a list of your Roblox friends. Scroll through and select the friend you want to chat with by tapping on their profile. Next, tap the Chat button on their profile page. This will open the chat window. Type your message, like I did, "Hi brother," and hit send. And just like that, you've successfully started a chat with your Roblox friend on mobile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions or tips to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.